Welcome to JH. I first gave the Fanttik F2 Pro a spin because I wanted a portable tool for fine DIY and detail work that wasn't tethered to a wall like a moody teenager. Right away, that 4V magnetic motor showed up to play, delivering consistent power across 5 speeds ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute. The real star, though, is the Rivo Store Hub, a clever 360-degree magnetic bit holder that crams 55 accessories into one rotating aluminum case. Finally, a way to keep your bits organized instead of losing them in the carpet for your vacuum to find later. The ergonomic design actually feels natural in your hand, and the pressure-sensitive switch is surprisingly intuitive and durable. It even comes with built-in LEDs to light up your workspace and a rear indicator to warn you when the battery is about to give up the ghost. User feedback generally echoes the hype, with many praising its performance in polishing, engraving, and sanding with minimal vibration and quiet precision. Some even claim it feels better in the hand than a Dremel, which is a bold statement, but I suppose people will say anything when they're excited about a fancy aluminum case. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users noted the power button requires a firmer press than expected, perfect for those of us who apparently need a thumb workout. Others reported surface scratches or a battery that quits early during heavy tasks, proving that power has its limits. Just remember that this isn't meant for heavy-duty cutting. It's a tool built for finesse and precision, not for your DIY demolition derby dreams.